Hayi ngeke ngani zakwethu hayi ngeke ngiyala hayi ngeke ngiyala ongakayiboni impact ka-SG wethu uFloyd ayifuseke ngiyaphinda ayibone ngeke azaphinde ayibone yabona into ekade iselituzini sethwane ayingeke guys olwayo manje ulwa yedwa ngeke because obviously kufanele amiyeke uSG uyihambela yedwa olwayo nje ulwa yedwa uSG akamiyeke ngeke ngenza kwethu ngeke phela leya crowd ubulindele ukuyithola eKZN Cincinnati umkhonto use KZN kuphela kanti ngaleso sikhathi isabhubhudla inkezo kwamanye ama provinces and iyabhubhudla hayi kancane and yazi ukuthi ubani no next ngiyanibona Eastern Cape ngiyanibona Eastern Cape and yazi ngiyanibona niyeza beat by beat mina ngiyayithanda le yenzakalayo bayekeni belo bekhuluma ukudoti sinandaba thina nezinto abayikhulumayo ezodoti bezama ukusoma division la elentuzeni kumkhonto wesizwe hayi bafana ayingeke kuyacaca ukuthi ayitheshi into yeni nje ayispan yazi ukuthi ayitheshi ayingeke bafethu ngeke mina ngigezeka inhliziyo today ngiyabonga MK ngibonga kakhulu bafethu ngibonge kwithwane because of into eniyenzile today nikhombisile bafethu ukuthi kahle you are advocating for umuntu omnyama and that's the only party njengamanje which is standing in the front lines in the picketing lines putting their solutions and amalento ama argumentative speeches in order to oppose to izinto ezokwazi ukuthi icindezele thina abantu abamnyama and in particular thina abantu abamnyama abaphuwa. I understand. So mina ngibona nje kuyiyona party so far, not to say ukuthi angiwabona amanye ama party, ngiyanibona guys, but engazuthi beni undecided. And as usual, MK ihlezi in catcher off guard. Boo! Zikhali. Ngiyabonga.